When it came time to choose a platform to manage our affiliate program, the decision was easy: ClickBank. For more than 2 decades, ClickBank has built a reputation as one of the most trusted affiliate marketplaces in the world. They have earned the confidence of both vendors and affiliates by consistently paying commissions on time and providing a secure, reliable platform for digital product sales. One of the biggest advantages of ClickBank is the quality of its affiliate network. Thousands of experienced marketers actively use the marketplace every day to find products they can confidently promote. That gives our products exposure to a large audience of motivated affiliates who know how to generate results. ClickBank is also known for maintaining high standards. Their review process helps ensure that products offered through their marketplace meet quality expectations, creating a better experience for customers, vendors, and affiliates alike. By partnering with ClickBank, we can focus on what we do best, creating exceptional products and supporting our customers, while relying on a proven platform to handle affiliate tracking, commission payments, and marketplace visibility. For our affiliates, this means a trusted payment system, accurate tracking, and access to one of the largest and most respected affiliate marketplaces in the industry. For our customers, it means purchasing from a platform with a long history of reliability and professionalism. I've been marketing online since 2002, and I've worked with just about every major affiliate platform. Time and time again, ClickBank has proven itself to be one of the most reliable companies in the industry. Their reputation, dependable payments, and extensive affiliate network make them the ideal partner for our products. That's why we've chosen ClickBank, and I'm confident you'll appreciate the difference.